if nobody is able to share your Instagram post, reels on their stories. So in this video, we're going to discuss how you can fix that so that anybody can share your Instagram post and stories to their Instagram stories. They will able to see the option of add to your stories towards your post. So all you have to do is to open the Instagram application and go to the settings of your profile. Once you open the settings, you have to go to the option of privacy. You can see it's right there. You need to click on this option, and here you will find an option of story. You can see it's just right there. Just click on it, and here you have to scroll down and find an option of allow sharing to story. You can see it's just right there. All you need to do is to enable the story. Once you enable this option, now everybody will able to share on Instagram post and reels to their story if you have a public Instagram account, and your username will be added to their stories as well. So that's a very quick and interesting tutorial for you. I hope it would be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.